Hello and welcome to DesignOS. In this series of videos, we are going to take a look at user interface or UI design using Figma. Although the series uses Figma, you can follow most parts using other tools like Adobe XD or Sketch. Let's talk about the things that this series is not about. The series does not focus much on user experience or UX design. There will be a few tips and tricks here and there related to UX design, but the main focus will be on user interface side of things. If you want to learn user experience design, please refer to the UX design series on this channel. If you're a design beginner, I would suggest that you learn user interface design first, then go on to UX design. This course is also not a certification program. If you're looking to boost your resume with a fancy certificate, you will not get that here. You're welcome to check out a different course on websites like Coursera, Udemy, etc. to obtain a certificate. Now let's talk about what this series is all about. This series is practical and project based. By the end of the series, you will have a project ready to go that you can put on your portfolio. This series is also industry based. Most UI design courses online nowadays are theory based. They don't really talk about what it is like working in the industry, what problems you may face. In this series of videos, we will share experiences that we have gathered while working as UI designers and give you tips to avoid mistakes that we made during our careers. We also focus on different sizes of projects. We talk about large scale projects where you collaborate with a team of designers, managers, programmers, and stakeholders. We also talk about projects where you will be the only designer for something like a startup or a freelance project. Their projects are much smaller in scale and a lot more responsibility falls on your shoulders. We take a look at responsive design, how to design an interface for different sizes of screens, ranging from a digital watch to a phone screen to a computer screen, all the way to a large scale screen like a television and beyond that. You don't need to have any previous experience in design or research fields. It doesn't matter if you're just a teenager in school, or you're in college, or you're working a job, or you have 20 years of experience. If you're willing to put in the work, this course will treat everyone the same. Those are the key areas that we will be focusing on during the series. To make sure that you understand everything we talk about during the series, you will require a few things. Number one, you're going to need a computer. It can be a desktop or a laptop, it can be Windows, Mac or Linux, Chromebook, or any other operating system. As long as it can run a desktop version of an internet browser like Chrome or Firefox on your system, you can use that computer to follow along. Number two, you're going to need a mobile phone. Could be an Android or an iOS device. This is optional. Mobile devices make a big proportion of how users interact with the products that designers make. So to be able to see how your designs will actually look on a mobile phone is a big plus for you as a designer. So in this video, I would like that you set a few goals for yourself while you go through the series. Number one, you will want to finish this series with a project that you can post on your portfolio, show to recruiters or to potential clients. Number two, you will want to design a website of your own to show off your own designs. And this is a personal website where you can post all kinds of things. You can post a blog, something like that. You will want to design this website by the end of the series. Finally, I want you to enjoy the series. UI design is an extremely fun skill to have, to see your designs come to life, to see people use your designs daily, and to be paid for doing something you enjoy is quite satisfying. So, no matter what your professional or personal goals are, there is a lot to learn for everyone during the series. Happy learning.